Hey! Okay, so I'm gonna take over the vlog real quick. As y'all know, we are doing Goody's annual all girls Christmas party. And I want to give y'all a little tour of the room because Goody did a great job with all the decor and everything. So, oh my gosh, I feel so nervous to be on this channel. It is an honor. We'll see if she plugs this part in, but anyways, let's go see all the decor and everything she did. Bye, y'all. All right, let's get into the decor. Look at this one. Yes, y'all. All right, as soon as you come out, y'all see this Polar Express picture? Then we get right into the photo area. Everyone's gonna come over and take the nice photos. And then we get into the good stuff. So these are where all the apps are gonna be. Apps, Chick-fil-A, all that fun stuff. And then we have the seating area with everybody. And it smells so good. So this is the current scent we got going on. It smells so good in here though. And then projector. We got the projector on. Y'all could barely see it, but it says no signal. We got a projector on, and this is the game table. We're gonna do gingerbreads. We're gonna play some games. This is actually one of my favorite bonding games. And then we got cups. This is the table with all the food. All the food is gonna be over here. All the drinks. It's giving a wholesome night, nothing too crazy for real. And yeah, stay tuned. We're gonna see how everything looks when everything is set and decked down. And when everyone gets here. Bye y'all. Peace out. See y'all later.
All right, so I just wanted to make a quick little intro because the girls are downstairs, but today is Vlogmas. I'm doing a Christmas party. I want you guys to come and experience our Christmas with us. We have matching PJs on. So let me show you guys the matching PJs. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, guys. Mwah. Bye. It's like the storyline was so preposterous. I'm like, y'all, I can't believe this. Okay. It don't make sense. Yeah, you can go. I didn't hear that today. I heard her people. I'm like, go. They don't make sense. It's laughing, literally, yeah. Smiling in the interview. Co-signing everything. Time for photo shoot. Get a little closer. Woo. That is a workout. Just close. That's okay. Yeah, I knew it. Oh, that's not a good one. Okay, I need to come over. Yeah. Our head need to get. Merry Christmas! Taboo, y'all. Taboo. This is the 18. Oh, you might have put taboo. Let me see. 18, oh, 18. Yes. 18. Not really. That's the B team.
So when I'm like making my pancakes, I use
flip it.
Make spatula.
No, don't distract you.
Yeah, spatula. She said.
No, that's okay, guys.
No, she got it. But she did gesture.
Guess what?
Good.
Guess when I am in the house, I walk.
She said house.
Oh darn.
It's a type of game. And
Tag.
Okay. Good job.
make sure December after buying a whole bunch of gifts. What do you
budget? Save.
Okay.
Oh. Okay. Chelsea, the biggest.
It's another word. So when you're doing your hair, right? When you got the curls, you trying to get your
bouncy.
but you're trying to get your curls to look. They gotta have that
Hairspray.
No, but
Shine.
no, but you like it's okay. Okay,
I am in the house. I walk.
She said house.
Oh darn.
It's okay, no pressure, no pressure. You got this.
Grand Rising.
New morning.
Good morning. Or they say it's
Queen.
Yeah, she got it.
Oh, Queen.
Oh, you could have just said that.
Sorry.
Do you want to build up?
Snowman.
So how many people in their songs?
Sing.
Andrea Bocelli. And pan, kettle.
That, but the other one, yes, that, but they call it and they hold it with their pinky up. That teapot. Yes.
Jester. Young Jester.
Jester, we can't take it.
You are driving. It says no outlet. You know it's going to lead to a
Dead end.
Yes.
We won in that game. Good game. Come on.
Yeah. I'm a good teammate. Yeah.
For the Cups game, the Cups game, the Cups game, the Cups game, the Cups game. Ready, come on. Make some noise. Make some noise.
Knees, toes, head, shoulders, back, cup. That's what I mean.
Knees, toes, knees, shoulder, head, toes, knees, shoulder, head, toes, knees, cup. Head, knees, toes, shoulder, cup. Ooh.
So the game is the first person that's going to build a bomb. Not even the first person.
This is a good amount of calories.
20 minutes is what you have to build a gingerbread house. 20 minutes, ladies. 20 minutes, okay? When 20 minutes is done,
That's in the time too. This is for real.
oh, wow. 20 minutes. Ready, set, go. Okay, good. I see the time. You look at your team member has already left you. No, y'all are great.
Okay, beautiful.
Let's play some music for the ride.
I love this. Is that it?
I think we should put a good amount.
Yeah. Okay, let's start putting it together.
Twist it.
Don't be watching what I'm doing.
It's not working. How did they get that? No, because
Hey, you guys got 18 minutes.
you just push it out.
Team C.
Okay.
Bob the Builder.
Is there a base?
Okay. But okay, so then
probably, yeah,
let's
you can do
practice
that.
then.
Okay, so let me
Team B.
Where here?
No, in between the two.
Oh.
Yeah.
Like this, right?
Yes.
Are you sure it's supposed to be this? Is it not?
this and then
It looks right.
It's okay. It's backward.
That's our
Yeah,
paper.
we can do it right here.
I'm sorry because she's staring us down. Like I'm sorry that y'all can't come with a.
We don't want your design.
Oh well, ask your teammate.
No, the side.
She's using this to cover.
Which way?
Yeah, I think this way.
I'm gonna put a doorknob on this. It won't. The right way.
Okay, let's build that. Even cooking.
Okay, you got it.
There. And then we could do this. Kind of like. Now we're talking too much trash over there. God don't like ugly.
Oh my God.
What time is it?
It's okay, bro. We
What
can
time is
come back. No, we can come back.
No, it's real cute, right?
4 minutes.
Come back. No, we can come back.
That's crazy.
Fell, babe. So there's not much to
Okay, now. Okay. Not nice. All right, Team B.
gingerbread house is called
Colorful snowflake.
Yes.
Okay.
You see the decorations all around. It has a doorknob.
Yes. We have great decorations on the roof. Different colors, different
on the
designs.
windows.
Snowflakes. You can just
A lot
crack
of greenery
snowflake
on
and
the
eat it, you know what I
sides.
mean?
Every single part of
Fresh
our
air
gingerbread
in.
house is designed. There's no part that's empty or blank.
Okay.
This is called Sperm Foundation.
It is a testimony of
really
how you go through a lot of life challenges, right? But you come out stronger and
You
beautiful.
fall down, you gotta pick right back up, keep going, never give up.
The message.
Is this about the gingerbread?
Yes, it is.
Like, we actually even took info of everyone. This is a Sandy
y'all
Foundation. This is
Your foundation was the first thought, and then you blew your wings this way.
That's what happened. That's exactly what happened. They even skipped us. You know why?
God got us.
You guys did an amazing job. Give it up for Team B.
Yes, that's the team.
I just want to say, you guys used every single corner.
Thank you.
I mean, every part of the gingerbread house, even a sidewalk. Wow. Let's go over to Team A. Team A.
Why are you doing this?
Give it up for Team C.
We never gave up.
They never gave up.
The way that they keep
It was
perseverance.
demolished. They even had a sidewalk. Wow. Come on.
Yeah.
You're too close.
Earthquake.
Jesus.
The winner is Team B.
perfect testimony.
Wow, my first gingerbread.
What is this even called?
Pick up the spoon, yeah. Pick up the balls.
15.
5, 4, go. Good job! Yeah, Diamond! Go, Diamond! Yes, Diamond! Yo, you got this! Okay! 4 seconds!
Don't they use a spoon?
Oh, that's
No, she's, woo!
oh, shit. Oh, wow.
Wait, that's a lot! Yo! 1! Time!
Wow.
Y'all are
Wow! Bro, she picked up a lot! Dang, you're good at this, bro! You're very good at this.
This is not easy. Oh, you hater.
It's called technique. It's called strategy.
I'm gonna do it too.
17.
He's gonna do that.
Exactly. That's why I tried to change it.
You can't do that. Just
I like it.
Just scoop.
Time. I'm not gonna lie. It's a time. Big purr. And that's on here. Oh, wait. Hey. Wow, she's even doing big. Wow. Time.
I'd like to thank all the people in the room
Hey.
for
Wow.
even you.
Wait, what's the other one? The last one is. Let's playing spoons, guys.
We just be her. She lost so many times.
And like, it was just like, don't get me wrong.
Starting.
Chestnut roasting on a firefly.
Which remix is this
I don't know.
one?
It's getting intense. It's so quiet.
Oh, wait.
Did somebody
No, it was you.
Okay, I feel like I gave a good game.
Wow. Lord,
You know I never lose. How do you feel?
How do I feel? I'm not gonna lie. When they grab sneakily, you don't even see it coming. Me, I was playing. I was doing game. Hey, spoons are gone. But it was fun.
But you did good.
Thank you. Final 4.
I believe it too.
She swears.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Winner! Woo!
You know me.
Period. How does it feel to be a loser?
I was in bottom too, so I ain't.
Don't forget to
Like, comment, and subscribe. You're a married woman. Do an up close. You're a married woman.
Okay, yeah.
the year of the
Tap it.
Under the mistletoe.
Oh, you know, I played a good game. They were out here being reckless. My arm hurts, so I might just have to file for some charges. But okay.
Never lost. It's not possible.
She would have to get 3 at once, and then just about that for sure.
Alright, y'all ready? I'm going.
Your sidekick is
Partner. Robin. Partner in crime? Robin?
your sidekick is Robin.
Oh, Batman.
Yes.
Ooh, that was good though. That was
No, girl, that's
okay,
a
wait, I'm not listening.
1, 2, 3. Head. Knees. Feet. Your back. Head. Knees. Shoulders. Stand up.
Wait, what is
Oh, you guys are too close.
Nobody's scared of my life. She knows her whole body. She said, bye-bye. She knows her whole body.
My arm hurts.
Say bye-bye.
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 Move away. All right. Wait, say happy holiday. 1, 2, 3.
Happy holidays.
Thanks,
Thanks, Goody. We love you.